Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel. In one of our previous videos, we installed this. This cabinet's gonna go over our toilet, but something we don't have is a towel rod. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install a towel rod into drywall. If you wanna check out the video of how we did that, it will be linked in the description below. Now, a tip about towel rods, when you go to buy one, you wanna get something that is made of stainless steel. And how you can tell it's stainless is you take a magnet. If it doesn't stick, it's stainless. If it sticks, it will eventually rust. You're gonna have to take it up, do it all over again. So I do have a link for these down below if you wanna check these out, but you can also go down to your hardware store and pick something up that would be pretty comparable. So let's get into the install. Now to do this right, you're gonna need a couple tools. First, you're gonna need a pencil to mark where you're putting stuff. You may need a level depending upon what you're installing. Now in a situation like this, you can also measure underneath with a measuring tape. So you're gonna need a level, a measuring tape, and then you'll also need a drill and a screwdriver. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put our pole in place. Now with where we are right now, we don't have a lot of wiggle room. So we're gonna put this thing essentially right underneath the cabinet. And what you wanna mark is either the top or the bottom dead center of each of these. If you were mounting this on a wall without a reference, you would also want to use that level to make sure this thing is nice and level. So now when I take it away, I have my little reference points right there. And inside the back of each one of these little pieces, there's a bracket. It should come with an Allen wrench or it might not. You're going to want to unscrew this and remove that little bracket. Now this little bracket is what's going to fit on the wall and this whole thing is going to clip to. Now at this point, you should probably grab a stud finder and see if there's a stud behind either place you're going into. Now in my case, there isn't a stud, so I'm going to use drywall anchors, but if there was a stud, you could screw straight into it. So now we're going to take this thing, we're going to put it directly above that line, and we are going to mark the two places we're going to drill holes for our drywall anchors. Then we're going to come over here and repeat the exact same process on this side. Now your drywall anchors should indicate what size drill bit you're going to use. So we're going to come in here and drill our first set of holes. Then take your drywall anchor and tap it into the hole. With your drywall anchors in place, you can put the cleat in there and take your screw gun, or you can do this with a regular hand screwdriver and screw it to the wall. We're going to repeat the process on the other side. Now with both of the cleats in place, we're going to take our towel bar, slip it over those cleats, and use our Allen key here to tighten it up. And that's all there is to it. So we've got our towel bar installed. We got this installed in another video. If you want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. I appreciate you watching this video. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of stuff you're working on around the house and anything we can help you out with. Hit that subscribe button because we got lots of stuff just like this coming your way. And of course, thanks for watching.